Welcome students, I am Ruchika Agrawal, Assistant Professor in Modern College of Pharmacy. Today our topic is soap. Soap are the sodium and potassium salt of long chain fatty acids. When triglycerides in fat or oil react with aqueous sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide, they are converted into the soap and glycerol. This is called the alkaline hydrolysis of esters. Since this reaction leads to the formation of soap, it is called the saponification process. As shown in the diagram, triglycerides react with sodium hydroxide in the presence of heat. After that, the soap and glycerol is formed. The raw material are the formulation ingredient used for the preparation of soap. The first one is fats and oil. Fat mixture containing the saturated and unsaturated long and short chain fatty acid in a satiable proportion are used. Saturated fatty acids with the 12 to 18 carbon atoms are used in the preparation of soap. For example, lauric, myristic, palmitic, stearic and oleic acid. In United States of America and the Europe, tallow has long been used as a basic ingredient for the soap preparations. To remove the solubility and lathering properties, coconut oil is mixed with the tallow. Fish oil, palm oil and coconut oil are also used in the preparation of soaps. With the fat and oil, some alkalis are also used in the formulation of soap. For example, caustic soda is used as a raw material in the preparation of soap. Caustic potash is used in the making the soft soap. Potassium carbonate and soda ash are used to saponify the fatty acids. The other ingredients used for the preparation of soaps include the antioxidants, some whiteners, perfumes and the dye. Antioxidants, these are used to stabilize the soap against the rancidity. For example, sodium silicate, sodium hyposulfite and sodium thiosulfate used as an antioxidant in the preparation of soap. Some whiteners like the titanium oxide and zinc oxide are used to improve the whiteness in the soap preparations. Perfume. The pH of the soap is around the 10. The selected perfume should be stable in this pH range. So that perfume are used in the soap formulations. Soap manufacturing. Soap are manufactured by the four process. The first process are the cold process. In this process, mixing of fat and the strong alkali is carried out at the room temperature so that little more than emulsification take place. Saponification is completed after this mixture is run into the frame in several days at the warm temperature. After completion of the saponification process, other formulation ingredient like antioxidant, perfume, whiteners are added as per requirement in the soap preparations. The next process is semi-boiled process. This is the simplest process for the soap manufacturing. The semi-solid processes differ from the cold process. In this process, fat is reacted with the strong alkali. Then the saponification mixture is heated at the temperature 70 to 90 degrees centigrade using the steam heated coils to complete the saponification reactions. Dye, perfume, additives and the other formulation ingredient are added at the end of the process to prevent them from the evaporating. As shown in the diagram, oil and fat are saponified in the saponification kettler by the heating. After that, perfumes and the other additives are added. The next process of soap manufacturing are the full boiled process. In this process, large cylindrical kettle with the cone bottom equipped with open and sometimes with the cold coils for a steam are used. The kettle are often provided with the delivery pipe for the fat water and the lye. This process completed in the 4 reaction. First reaction include the saponification reaction. Next is graining out and the washing. Third one is strong change, and fourth one is finishing the operations. The last manufacturing process for the soap is continuous saponification. This process is used in the pharmaceutical industry because this process is used for the production is on very large scale. Fat are the first converted into the fatty acid and the glycerin using the high pressure in the continuous phase splitting process. After the saponification process is completed, in this preparation other ingredients like the antioxidant, perfumes and the whiteners are added. These are the 4 processes which is used for the soap manufacturing. There are different type of soap we are used in the daily routine for a different purpose. Some are the transparent soaps, bathing bar, castile soap, super fatted soap and carbonic acid or the carbonated soap. Thank you everyone.